Hello, it's Mr. Cavey, and today I want to model a few of the problems here in 6.3, modeling and solving equations in these two different formats, ax plus b equals c, or x over a plus b equals c. So we're going to skip down to some of the first problems that I've assigned, and let's start with this one. Number 1, solve the equation modeled by each scale, and then check your solution. So I'm going to copy this over into Jamboard. Again, this is number 1. And let's talk about how we would solve these. I really wish... that's okay. Yeah, actually I will use the text thing. So on the left side, obviously well, I shouldn't say obviously, the middle of this scale is the equal sign, all right? So both sides are equal to each other. On the left side, we've got 3 x's. I was just rethinking my process there. Equals, and that is 11. All right. So what do we do from there? We know that we want to get this x by itself. So the first thing we're going to do is get rid of the 8. So we want to narrow this down to just 3x. So to do that, we can do anything we want as long as we do it to the same thing to both sides. So to do that, I'm going to copy this and then say, sort of put this in squigglies, minus 8. And I'm going to do that to both sides. 11 minus 8. Now, I know some of you are probably able to solve this equation just at a glance, and that's great, but this format is really what we're after. The process is what we're after. Okay, so now I'm left with 3x equals 3, right? 8 minus 8 is 0. 11 minus 8 is 3. Okay, so how do we isolate x? We can do that by dividing both sides by 3. So 3x divided by 3. And I'll show that in squigglies again. Divided by 3. That's to show that this is what I'm adding to both sides. 3 divided by 3. So 3x divided by 3 is x, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. That's your solution for A. Let's talk about B. Okay, so now we've got 5g plus 2 equals 12. Now again, my first task, am I making that clear enough? Maybe I'll make these, whoops. I just want to make sure you can see the separation here. Okay, good. Oh, dang. Sorry. Okay, there. I want to edit that. Great. Okay, so 5g plus 2 equals 12. So again, our first task is to get rid of this 2. So I'm going to do that by copying that out. Now, I know some of you are going to hate writing that out every time. You just want to jump ahead. But I think it's really helpful to keep that clear. Squiggly minus 2. Oops. Okay. And then we've got 5g equals 10. Now, I get to that point, and again, some of you are like, I know it. But let's write it out. 5g divided by 5 is going to get rid of that 5. And then 10 also divided by 5 is going to get rid of that. So that gives us g equals 2. And we just solved the 2 first questions in this lesson. And I am going to stop there.